With a relatively lower COVID caseload, India is walking the talk of a comprehensive fight against the pandemic. And it is not just about the government claims. Iconic Taj Mahal, one of the modern wonders, is now receiving more footfalls as compared to what it witnessed previous month when it was reopened after 6 months. While the number of daily infections has dropped in past 2 weeks, the government is now focusing at preventing fatalities. It aims to bring it down below 1%.
Tourist influx in India's Taj Mahal city, Agra, has witnessed a surge. Officials say the numbers have gone up by 25 to 30% as compared to previous month. The Monument of Love was reopened after 6 months on 21st September. People have become relatively confident after a considerable decline in the daily infections that had reached nearly 100,000 per day for at least 2 weeks. It is around 50,000 per day now. Superintending Archaeologist of Archaeological Survey of India, Basant Kumar, said that generally all tickets to the monument are being sold every day and other monuments are also witnessing a turn-up.
निश्चित रूप से जब ताजमहल हमने खोला था या अन्य स्मारक जब खुले थे उसकी तुलना में हम देखें तो पिछले हफ्ते में दर्शकों में 25 से 30% की बढ़ोतरी हुई है और जो हमारी लिमिट है टिकटों की वो लगभग ताजमहल में तो पूरी हो जा रही है, अन्य जगहों पर भी दर्शक निरंतर बढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं।
Tourism is a key to Indian economy and has been instrumental in the swift GDP growth the country has witnessed over time. World Travel and Tourism Council data shows that tourism contributed about $240 billion or 9.2% of India's gross domestic product in 2018, employing more than 42 million people. While the Government of India has been pushing for reopening of the market to make up for the huge losses it has incurred, it is also working at a holistic strategy aimed at further curbing the menace of virus. Apart from bringing down the positive numbers, the authorities are now working at bringing down the fatality rate. Despite climbing cases, Indian fatality rate is already among the lowest in the world.
हमने उनके साथ बैठक करके ये स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई है कि यहाँ किस प्रकार के विशेष उपाय किए जाने चाहिए जिससे इन मृत्यु दर को जो बढ़ रही है, खास स्थानों पर बढ़ रही है, उसको कैसे नियंत्रण में लाया जाए, कैसे नीचे लाया जाए, क्योंकि देश में हमारा जो लक्ष्य है वो 1% केस फैटेलिटी रेट का है।
The country's health ministry says that it is expecting to get its hands on vaccine by early next year and is drawing a plan for its swift distribution, keeping vulnerable groups priority. Meanwhile, Serum Institute, the largest vaccine manufacturer of the world, which is conducting phase 2 and 3 trials of the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine, has sought approval to expand the scope of vaccine trials in India. It wants elderly and vulnerable to be a part of the program. It says that broadening the inclusion criteria will align the Indian trials of Covishield with that of the ongoing global trials and test the vaccine for high-risk individuals and real-world distribution scenarios.